Welcome back, everybody. This is gonna be frog eggs. Tried it once before, it turned into rubbish because I didn't do it right, but soldering iron, gonna need it. I saw this trick by Marlon Bates. You've probably seen it by Marlon Bates. I'm pretty sure almost everybody that watches fish stuff on YouTube has seen Marlon Bates. So, but I'm gonna start off with that on plastic swim bait jerkbait blend. Just clear, straight clear, no color. We're gonna be pouring it, so take the glove off quick. Another good one. But if you can see the front of that, but right there is the connection to each egg. Oh, sorry, that's not good. Let me zoom in. Right where I'm zoomed in is a gate between two eggs. I don't have any eggs down here. Oh wait, yes I do. Hey, right there. In between the two eggs where you would separate them. Is what I'm going to be pouring it to. Make sure this is still hot. Yep, 320, that'll do. So I'm just going to start by doing a little bit. And if it gets overdone, the heat will let it run out and everything. So, as you saw, just very little bit. Well, actually a lot, because it's the majority of the egg. But I'm going to do that to all 50, right? Yeah, all 50 cavities. I'll do like a time-lapse thingy because I don't think you want to sit here for me doing that the entire time. So, yeah. Okay, all those are poured in. We're going to make that color. So that's what the egg kind of looks like. That's the actual tadpole. And it's like a tan color, tan copperish, but mainly just see-through. So we're gonna take our little itty bitty amount of see-through and start with Yukon from Dead on Plastics. Okay, starting with 10. You're going to want it to be not very see-through, because it's going to be a thin spot, so you're going to want it to look pretty solid inside the container, or measuring cup, jeez. Alright. Let me reheat that quick, and then I'll meet you back. Alright, that looks good so far. Just needs to be darker. So, Lure Works Amber 114. Just one. Okay, changed my mind too. Never mind 3, because I accidentally put 3 in. But that looks good. I'll get a close-up of that here in just a second. That looks like that'll work good. Now I'm just gonna vacuum pot it, or degas it. Jeez, I cannot talk. Alright, color's ready. I'm assuming the best way to do this is just take the soldering iron, dip it down in, and then just paint with it. And that one had some piece of something in it. Let's see if I can get that out. Alright, so I kind of messed that one up. I got too much on that iron. Let me see. I can just do like a big drop of this in the middle, because the green will shape it. Okay. Oh. And all frog eggs are different, so you don't have to get them all the same. Oh, and one thing when you're doing this, don't do it on the same side as the vents, because there's a chance you could block the vents. Because you only need to do half these eggs poured with the see-through. The only reason I have both of them heating up is because aluminum shrinks and expands due to temperature, so the mold won't fit together if I just have one hot and one cold. Alright, I'm going to turn this into a time lapse again and get this knocked out, because I don't think you want to sit here for the next like 10 minutes watching me do this. Oh, I guess I should tell you what kind of eggs we're copying. Tree frog eggs. So, yeah, time lapse. Alright, I want to try something real quick. I'm going to try it on the one that I messed up because something was on the soldering iron and fell in. Can I just pour a drop of this in each one? Yes, I can. Alright, back to a new time lapse. No idea. I took a break and then thought, I got these culinary spoon things. If I can go like that, we'll go way faster, because I've only done the first 25. I got another 25 to go. And I'm heating up the next color in the background. So, time lapse. Okay, I'm going to start in the next color a while. Maybe. Forgot to clean off soldering iron, and forgot to heat it up, so hold on. Okay, the eyes. A little bit of black. Oh. Oh yeah, this is just straight black. Alright, so you can't even see that. Sorry. Just tell me when you can't see, guys. Come on. It'll look way better once it gets done. But I still got 15 to do the tannish gold color on. And then there'll be a time lapse with black. And if you see the hologram flake in there, don't be alarmed. That's not going in there. That's from Disco Crawl video. I just needed black, so I heated it up and didn't stir it and let all the flake settle to the bottom. So I could just use the black. But back to the gold. D-mode. I forgot to turn the camera on for the green dots, so, which I think are its lungs. That dark spot. But, and that little drawing I did on the paper, I didn't reference that one bit. That was just to show you guys what it's supposed to look like. I put a picture up on the screen already, but moment of truth. So far, it looks good. A lot of flashing. Like, I mean, a lot. They're still a little tacky, but looks like a little frog egg. But heat gun should be able to take care of some of the flash and then pulling it off by hand. But hope you enjoyed. If you would like to buy these or anything else, custom orders, anything like that, email me. My email will be up on the screen. And if my email doesn't work for some reason, I've been having trouble with it for a little while, just comment and tell me my email isn't working and I'll try and fix it. But soldering iron is necessary. Oh yeah, and the one that I forgot to do the egg in, I just put an X with green in it, but yeah, frog eggs.